What's up, guys? Calspeed here. Got the p0301 on this here WRX. I'm gonna pull the spark plugs out and have a look at those. See what's going on. I got a cylinder misfire on 1 and 3. Yeah, let's see what's up. So cylinder 1 and 3 are on the right bank. You can see I've removed the air box. And now we can see down here, we can see the coil packs. I'm gonna take those out and test those and pull the spark plugs. See, we'll run a compression test, see what's going on. All right, guys, so we gone ahead and tested those coils out. As you can see, they're looking pretty rough. It looks like that someone beat on this one like a Cherokee drum. So yeah, that retested with new coils, still misfiring. So we went ahead and did a compression test. Cylinder number 1 is at 100. Cylinder number 3 is at 80 PSI. So there is definitely something mechanically wrong with this engine. So we're gonna talk to our customer and see what he wants to do. Stay tuned. Don't forget, if you like what you see, you like what you hear, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Follow for part 2. Let's see if we can get this thing rolling.